So let's unbox DJI Osmo 360. This comes with a camera itself. This we get accessories of charger. So it's a adventures edition combo. So you get 3 batteries in this. So it comes with 1950 megahertz. And with this you have soft one, nice good cushion thing. And this you have USB to USB and the mold. So I'll show you how to connect this. And a clutch. And the best thing about this is selfie stick. This is invisible selfie stick. It comes with 2 meters. Nice printed Osmo. Here we go with Osmo 360. So let me set up my stuff now. Camera. It's very easy to connect. See, the clamps are perfectly fit and it's outwards. Perfect. Just hear that click. Take a cloth. Wipe it a little bit on both the lenses. Perfect. Let's put batteries. This is dead. So it's very easy. Just pull it down. That's it. Easy to put. Back and down. You have a SSD slot and it comes with 120 gigahertz. Perfect to go. Just press once. Osmo. So here we go. We started with thing. Now, if you want to record, just press this. Start recording. So let's explore now and see how the clarity is. Extend the selfie stick and let's start with a vlog. Take you around this place. See, the clarity is good. Sound you're listening it from DJI. Very easy, nice, good to handle. Not difficult to do the settings or anything as such. It's very easy to move around. Take your camera and just move around. So where I'm staying, it's a Curlis Zulu College. Zulu College. You can see Zulu hostels. They have hostels and plus they have rooms. So good stay. I'll take a tour inside the College Zulu. So the college is right that side. So say 100 meters, and this is the hostel and cottage. So this is the entrance. Yes. You see the boat there. College Zulu. And look at that lady with the glass sunglasses. Has good bright colors. And if you have a raw image, you can edit it in raw format also. So this is my room where I'm staying, and this is my stuff. So we're gonna end up here. It'll be a small video to give you clarity about DJI Osmo 360. And if you want to know more about this camera, I'm gonna blog in this camera in whole Goa. I'm gonna take this around in Goa. I'm gonna give you that 360 shots, like with 365 angle. So this is how it is. I love this camera. It's really fun to use. When I experience more and shoot more with this camera, and see the footage. So stay tuned for more videos. Do like and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.